Welcome to Death Spiral Maths. Today we're going to play Race Out of the Spiral, or the Death Star. Can you escape from the Death Star before it blows up? What you need is a pack of cards, and we make a spiral into the middle, and we have to get out. So you need at least 2 playing pieces. Today I'm using Yoda and a pink Death Star, or Stormtrooper, sorry. You will need your cards, a calculator and a die, or you can use your iPad spinner. Now you'll notice there are no kings, queens or jacks or jokers. I've taken them out today. Today is a simple game where you roll the dice. I'm going to use the small one. Oops, just knocked over the Stormtrooper. 3. Stormtrooper can go first. 1, 2, 3. Now we add the card he is on to the dice. 3 and 2 makes 5. You can check with your calculator if you are unsure. Now it's Yoda's turn. 5. Yoda goes very well. Now, don't count always by ones. Can you count 2 and 2 and 1 more makes 5. 7 and 5. I'm going to build to 10. I've got 7. 3 more will be 10, and that leaves 2. 10 and 2 makes 12. Very good. If I am correct, I can move forward 1. So our friend the Stormtrooper can move forward 1 because he got 5 before. Yoda got 7 and 5. I know that's right. So Yoda can move forward 1. If you get it wrong, you have to move back 2. Good luck. See if you can get out of the Death Spiral. First,